Here's how to fix Snapchat if it's not working. Now, if you're on your iPhone or an Android and you find that the Snapchat app just isn't working, maybe you're trying to watch snaps or you're trying to send messages or receive messages, any of those different things, if they're not working, I'll walk you through all the steps to get it fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is open up the Snapchat app here. And let's say if you go to your messages and you try to open up these messages and it's just not working or it's not allowing you essentially to view them, maybe it's not loading. There are a few different things we can do directly on your phone. So this works on iPhone or Android. There are basically two different culprits. One is there's an issue with your phone, or the second one is there's an issue with Snapchat themselves. So the first thing, let's rule out that there's not an issue with Snapchat. So open up a web browser and we're going to just type in, is Snapchat down? Essentially go to down detector is a great option here. And if you see a big spike in reported outages, then that's essentially the reason why your snaps are not loading, is because Snapchat themselves are having an issue and you just need to wait until they get it fixed. Usually within an hour to 3 hours, something like that, they'll get everything fixed and then everything should be working. However, let's say Snapchat is not down and you're still having the issue. The second thing I would check is your internet connection. So what we're going to do in a web browser is just type in speed test and hit run speed test. You're checking to see if you have a good and stable internet connection. Anything over, say, 5 megabytes per second should be good to go to load up any kind of snaps or messages or use Snapchat normally. Now, if you have a good and stable internet connection, the next thing that I would recommend doing is making sure there's no bugs or glitches within the Snapchat app, or basically clearing the cache. You can do that by heading into your settings, and we'll scroll down and tap on General, and then iPhone Storage. Now that we're in here, this will show you every single app. Let's go into Snapchat, and we'll just offload this app and reinstall it. The nice thing is by doing this, it clears out all the cache and the cookies that are associated with that app, all the temporary files, and then also downloads and installs a fresh new version of the Snapchat app. If there are any kind of bugs or glitches, or if you haven't updated in a while, it'll get you the fresh new version on there so that you can hop out of here and just go back into Snapchat. And it should be working normally. You should be able to go to all of your messages and see all those. They should be loading normally at this point. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.